There's been a 200% increase on layoffs in January and February of 2026, and here I am shirtless making more than anyone that has ever went into college. I was just watching this video and some of the comments were saying, hey, getting a degree is cope. You're just coping with getting a degree, and at this point, I can't even lie. It's one of the things that I might have to agree with, and I'm not the type to shit on school. I was just in a classroom, my old high school the other day, just spitting facts to these students. And I'll tell them, hey, this is a disclaimer. Everything I say right now is not going to be me shitting on school, shitting on college, sitting on the college experience. But at the end of the day, people are spending six figures just to get your job replaced by AI. Wouldn't you rather spend 6 figures learning something that's going to make you multi-million dollars every single year? Because that's the path I chose to take. I'm 21 right now. I'm about to be 22 tomorrow. In the past 4 years, I've learned a lot of different things, and one of the biggest things I've learned in the past 3 months is that AI is literally taking over. AI can take over any legitimate position. Think about this. There's no worse error than human error. Humans only can work a certain amount of the day, get tired, they can't focus, and are not consistent. AI, it works 24 hours a day, has very minimalist amount of mistakes, because let's say that AI makes mistakes. You tell it to recorrect its mistake, it's not gonna make the same mistake again. I have people that have worked with me in my business, for example, cleaners inside of my Airbnb business. That's a human thing that I cannot replace by AI. They make the same mistakes over and over and over and over again. They're humans. Computer error is very limited. And I'm not saying computer error is zero. Computer error is very limited, and that's why people are getting replaced by AI. Why would Google want to hire someone for $400,000 a year when they can replace them by AI and getting triple the amount of work done? Instead of getting 8 hours a day of work, they get 24/7 attention, 24/7 focus, 24/7 learning, relearning, and adapting, and continuously getting better. These AIs aren't only just getting better right now, these AIs are making themselves better as time goes on. They're correcting themselves. You going to college, if you are watching this video right now, understand that you might get replaced by AI. And yes, I understand there's certain things, there's certain businesses that may not be able to get replaced by AI. For example, being a doctor, right? You can't really get replaced by AI. Yes, can you talk to a ChatGPT doctor? Can you talk to an AI doctor? Yes. Can robots do surgery? But in this case, it would be better to have a human doing surgery. For example, I had a colonoscopy today. They stuck a tube in my butt. Would I want a doctor to do that? I would want a doctor, a female doctor. I would not want a robot. Imagine the robot just messing that up. Imagine the robot messing up a open heart surgery, and like, you guys are probably watching this like, bro, did this dude just say a tube went up his butt? Yes, no homo, a tube went up my butt. I got a colonoscopy because there's like some things messed up in my colon. I've been having diarrhea for like 5 or 6 years. Sorry to get, into specifics, but I just talk with no filter. As I was saying, human error is high, robotic and AI error is low, but there's certain jobs that cannot be based by AI, that cannot be replaced by AI, but there's a lot that can. I pull up to a fast food place the other day. The drive-through AI system is taking my order. Every single business I call, it's AI. Do you not think companies and software companies and engineering companies and software engineering companies are not replacing people with AI? That's why there was a 200% layoff increase in January and February. And why? Because I want you guys to look into this. There's something called Claude AI. If you are still using ChatGPT right now, you're literally just 5 years behind almost. ChatGPT has been out for years. There's something called Manus, which is 100% better than ChatGPT. You can literally make a website within like 2 minutes. And I'm not even sponsoring this video. Like, Manus is not sponsoring this video. I'm just talking out of my mind. Even better than Manus, there's something called Claude AI. Claude AI literally will code for you. You can become a software engineer without going to college because this AI that just came out. Now all of these people, a lot of people just got their jobs replaced. So you need to start thinking, what path are you going to take? And you might be watching the video, John, what path are you taking? I'm in different types of businesses. I am primarily in the short-term rental Airbnb space, and most of my shit is automated. I have one virtual assistant for a bunch of properties, and I have cleaners for my properties. Those are the only human employees I have. Other than that, my pricing is automated, my guest messaging is automated, my accounting is automated, my software is automated, my services are automated, my claims are automated, my reviews are automated, my listing setup is automated, my quotas are automated, my data scraping is automated, my leads are automated. every single thing, almost every single thing in my business is automated. And if it's not automated, then it's automated the process for the people that I have working in my business, for my virtual assistants and my cleaners. Every time a clean comes in for one of my Airbnbs, it sends a notification to my cleaner, and they understand how many guests are going to be there, how many people they need to service, when they're checking in, when they're checking out. That part's automated. The messaging is automated. The back and forth between the guest and the host. I'm not even touching my messages, and I've probably made over $50,000-$60,000 in the last 30 days of my business. I'm not touching anything. Even I have my numbers automated. At the end of every single month, I have the numbers automated. The only thing I have to do in my business at the end of every single month, which by the way, I don't have to, I choose to, is I pay my bills. For example, my mortgage and rent. I pay those at the end of every single month, but I could just do an automatic bill direct deposit every single month, but I choose not to. But that's the only thing that I have to do in my business. Everything is automated. I'm opening up a new practice, and I'm going to show you guys a nice launch here soon. I'm opening up a new practice, and all I'm going to have is a front desk lady and a nurse, and I'm going to service a bunch of people. Everything in the back end is going to be AI. I don't need anyone. Back in the day, you'd have to hire all of these people and put them in place. Now, the time is no longer. I don't even need a front desk person. I just want that human experience. But let me put something straight. There's certain things that cannot be replaced, like human experience, human touch, human conversation. And yes, I fully agree with that, and I'm gonna get those comments in those videos. Yes, those things cannot be replaced, but a lot of the backends in every single business is going to be replaced by AI if it hasn't been replaced already. Look into the layoffs from Meta, look into the layoffs from Google, look into the layoffs from all of these huge companies like Tesla, all of these master companies that are hiring people out, that are firing people. Look at how many layoffs it's had within the past couple months. It's insane, but it fully makes sense because AI is truly taking over. But this is probably your last year to escape the matrix. No matter what it is, start something. Do something that's going to benefit you right now in the longevity of your life. Build something that's going to feed you for the rest of your life. I'm building a business I'm going to feed myself, and I'm going to exit hopefully in 2 to 3 years from now for 2x what the revenue I'm bringing every single year. For example, if I'm bringing in 5 mil, I'm hoping to sell it for 10. So build something that can feed you and your family for life. Put down everything, put everything to the side, learn how to integrate AI into your system, learn how to start, scale, and automate your business. If you want to learn more about the business that I'm in, sign up for the free live masterclass. If the link is in the bio right now, and I'm still doing them. I'm doing them about every 2 weeks or every month. It depends on when I have time, but the date is going to be in the bio link below if I am currently still running it. But with that being said, lock in. Do not let AI replace you. Start your own business, do your own thing, and make a shit load of money. And as I leave you guys at the end of every single video, make sure that you pray to God. I'm out.